quick interview, guys, of your impressions of the underwater scene in Palau. How was it? I mean, you did a scouting mission just one day.
Yep.
So how did it turn out?
Oh,
Awesome.
it was wonderful.
Yeah.
A lot of fish here. I would love to come back really soon and be able to take advantage of diving with KB and George again.
Yeah.
I had a good time.
How was
in
the
one day?
like clarity of the water? Was it okay?
Oh yeah,
yeah.
sure.
I know there were murky parts, but I heard some of you say like you could see it like to 100 feet deep or so.
Some parts was murky, but some was just ridiculously clean.
All right.
Yeah.
Lots
Okay.
of
You could see 200 feet easy.
Yeah. So are you guys gonna come back?
definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right. And
Guaranteed.
it turns out we did some sightseeing, some snorkeling. How was the snorkeling?
Oh, that was
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
See, I'm not sure if it was a sanctuary, but where the tour boats were, I mean,
Right.
there was even a lot of fish there.
Yeah.
Nice to see fish that I mean you can nearly touch.
Right.
You know,
Yeah.
within hand reach distance.
All right. So you'll be back in 6 months to a year.
Try to.
All right. Try to.
Try our
Okay.
best.
All
I
right.
think it's 6 months.
Yeah. In
I'm
6
thinking
months.
6 months
Okay.
too.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So Woody.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Kyle.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
John.
Thank
Thank
very
you.
much.
All right.